What is up, gang? It is I, Carlton Flowers, your crypto pro.
Yay!
And today, very quick, brief video to look at the market and show you why this is not a rally. For some reason, I don't understand this. You get on YouTube after a day where you have a big, deep red candle, like here on the one-day chart where you see this big, fat, nasty red candle, or this one right here. The next day, when you see the price find support, as it did here when it found support at the point of control price of the VPVR, which stands for Volume Profile Visible Range. That's how much Bitcoin is bought at a specific price and not at a specific time, like the ones down here. That's at a specific time. Well, anyway, when it finds support and starts to creep up, you get all of these bubbleheads on YouTube screaming, rally, 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 back to the bull market. Bitcoin's going to the moon again. I don't understand that. I've never understood it. And the only reason that I think that the big mouths do this is to get clicks on their YouTube videos. So here we had this next big fat red candle right here, and there's people that are out there hollering about a rally. Now, I guess if you call a slight pause at support and where you creep up a little bit, if you're calling that a rally, okay. I mean, to me, a rally means that you are on a very strong upward trend in an overall upward trending trading channel. A rally, to me, does not define action that is occurring during a downward trending trading channel. In other words, price is bouncing up and down within this channel, and overall we are in a bearish trending trading channel. Now, call this a bearish channel within a bull market or within a bear market, I don't care. The bottom line is this is a bearish trending trading channel. This bump that we are seeing is not a rally. And why am I so annoyed? Is anybody else? Post in the comments right now if you too get seriously triggered and annoyed when you see people posting the opposite of the freaking facts that are staring us right in the face of the chart. Does it annoy you as much as it annoys me to see someone posting rally after we have hit a peak here over $48,000 and we are in a downward trending trading channel? Who else is annoyed? Where we had one fake out, two fake out, and a third impending fake out. This might come up a little bit, but overall, when we see that next peak, it's going to be a lower high, and it's going to continue to go down. Why? Well, I'll tell you why. You want to know why? I'll show you why on the chart. Let's jump to the 1 week chart, and you'll see it. For all of these rally people, rally, what the heck? People just talking madness. So this is a rally, a bullish rally, right? Danglings. Do you see this rollover? Complete rollover. Do you see this? Absolute rollover with a fake out and now a stochastic that is falling down sharply with the blue line diverging away from the orange line on a steep angle, almost going straight down. And what do you see up here? You see this big volume node that we fell off of here. Now we're trying to stick to this one. This is going to be a little rest spot, but then we got the other one coming at the black dash line. And then of course we have, well, I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it. This is a short video. I don't want to get too hyped up here and be ridiculous, but the bottom possibility is 30,000. There it is right on this node. And then if we fail this one, there's nothing in between to hold us. But this is a rally, right? Oh my gosh. What do we see downstairs? But a huge impending crossover of the oscillators on the stochastic and combined with light green bars printed on the histogram, as we have now found the zero line. And very shortly thereafter, we'll be printing red bars on the histogram. But this is a rally. And see, it's not a negative thing, because it's a positive thing, because I'm going to do a video next and I'm going to tell you that this is one of the best opportunities and this is the most exciting time in trading cryptocurrency for me, because you get to go back to every project that you missed out on. And I'm going to show you one example before I end this video, all right, of a project that I'm going to go back on and get. But before I do that, here's your absolute nail in the coffin proof. What do we see here? Big fat red candle, major crossover, stochastic peak. Okay. But this is a rally. All right. So here's the market cycle peak right there. Here's the fake out peak right there. Here's the absolute market bottom right there. All right. I do believe that the 15,000 was the bottom. 11 didn't happen, and it's probably not going to happen. I shouldn't say can never happen, but it's probably not going to happen. So now we need to find out how far down this will go. Will it go halfway before we tear off into the bull run, or will it make it all the way down to the bottom before we tear off into the bull run? That's what we're watching. Now, we don't have to know the answer to that. All we have to do is watch, because then we're going to know when our opportunities are to buy. That's it. It's as simple as that. All right? And stick that in your pipe and chew on it, all you people that always have to say, technical analysis doesn't work. Stick that in your pipe and chew on it. This is easy stuff. Easy stuff. So I'm thinking that before the major run, we could get a half pause here and a jump up, but I'm thinking it's going to go down here. All right. So here's our purple or black dash line. Volume node goes right here. Purple line goes at the top of this one. All right. That's the possibilities. Okay. So that's enough of that. Let's go back. And as I said, I'm going to show you an example of something right here. And, you know, there's a lot of haters of this project. No matter what project you find, you're going to get people that are shillers that promote it ceaselessly. And you're going to get haters that will say it's crap, it's a scam, it's no good, whatever. Well, I'm going to show you a project that there's just an equal amount on both sides of the equation, the scammers and the haters, or the pumpers and shillers. It's right stream. All right. And so down here is when it was on my watch list. It had the consolidation bump to 0.0035. It went back down to 0.002. And then look what it did. Okay. Now, I don't care what you say. If you're a shiller, great. If you're a hater, great. I don't care who says it's a scam or not. But what I do care about is the 1,759% of a jump up that it took in a matter of days. All right. That's what I care about, the 17.5x in a matter of days. And I missed this. Now, let's look at the little coin metrics, tokenomics, right stream. And then I'm going to show you the website, and then I'm done. And thus will end my point, because there's lots of these that are out there. Look at the max supply. It's only 1 billion. Okay? Circulating 181 million. They don't have everything out there, and you have to read the right white paper to find out what the emission rate is, of how soon that they will drip out the rest of this supply. But the total supply is very low. Circulating is extremely low. Trading volume is nice. Market cap is only 8 million, so it's still in the baby stage, but I missed that 17x pump. Of course, I'm not going to buy it right now unless it returns back down to below 1 cent. And it could do that as we enter into this mini bear market. Now, look at this website. And so I don't care what anyone says. Tell me what you want. I don't care. This is a cool website. They're doing streaming. So they're talking about democratizing the creator economy, blah, blah, blah. But they took the time to make a nice website and have a product that works. Okay, it does something. They do have pretty decent partners. They are on a lot of exchanges. They're They're pretty active on social media, and I would have to look on the master spreadsheet to find out if they're doxxed and all of that good stuff. I'm not sure, but they are all over Twitter. So that was enough that I knew that this thing is probably going to pop out there. Now, would I keep it long term? No, I'm just getting in and getting out so I can make that money, period. I'm not going to shill it. I don't care really what they do, but it's impressive enough. And if the math works out, where I can bag some serious cash out of it, then I'm going to do it. Well, anyway, that's it. So the executive summary is, I'm annoyed when people say that we're in a rally and we're not. The bear markets are great times and opportunities to pick up stuff like RightStream and make your 17x in a matter of days if it comes back down and repeats itself. And I've got more explanation on that coming your way and a massive video to show you how to do it. And this will be the thank you video to all the people that have supported me, especially the ones who have super chatted me. And if you super chatters, super thankers have any questions or specific things you want me to cover, let me know. And you're first in line for my service. That is all for right now. This is Carlton and I am out.